Hello everyone, welcome to Money Wisdom channel. In this video, we're going to talk about is turning your hobby into a business worth it? If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. Hobbies are a great way to relieve stress, explore new interests, and connect with like-minded people. For some people, their hobby is also their livelihood. There's no doubt that turning your hobby into a business can be a lot of work. You'll need to invest time and money into marketing, product development, and building a customer base. And even then, there's no guarantee of success. But if you're willing to put in the effort, it can be an enriching experience. You will get to do what you love every day. But you'll also have the satisfaction of knowing that you've built something from scratch. And even if your business doesn't end up being wildly successful, you'll still have the pride of owning your own business. So, have you ever thought about turning your hobby into a business? After all, it's a common dream. Who wouldn't want to get paid to do something they love? But is it worth it? Before leaping, let's talk about why is it worth it and consider a few things. Why turning your hobby into a business is worth it. Turning your hobby into a business is worth it. It might seem like a daunting task, but if you're passionate about your hobby, it'll be worth it. You will get to do what you love every day, but you'll also get to create something that other people can enjoy. It's always satisfying to see other people using and enjoying something you created. And of course, there's the bonus of making money from your hobby. If you can earn a is the best idea. Running a business is a lot of work, and it can be tough to keep up the same level of enthusiasm for your hobby when there's no much riding on it. So, before you take the plunge, ask yourself if you're ready to turn your hobby into a business. Lastly, one of the most important things is whether you are disciplined enough to keep going, even when things get rough. A successful business requires a lifelong commitment and a willingness to learn and grow continually. If you think that you have what it takes to turn your hobby into a business, it's time to start taking the necessary steps to make your dream a reality. There are upsides and downsides to consider turning your hobby into a business. On the upside, you are the boss. Being the boss has its perks. You make the decisions, sets the office tone, and dictate when and how things get done. There are also disadvantages of being the boss. as we go on. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. However, if you're up for the challenge, being the boss can be an advantageous experience. You get to see your business grow and evolve according to your vision, and you get to build something that is truly your own. So, if you're feeling entrepreneurial and looking for a new challenge, why not start your own business? With a little hard work and dedication, you could be the boss of your very own successful company. Second, you get paid by doing what you love. There's nothing quite like getting paid to do what you love. While it may seem like a pipe dream, it is possible to turn your hobby into a profitable business. Of course, it takes hard work and dedication to make your business a success. But if you're passionate about what you're doing, it can be an enriching experience. Third, taxes. It's no secret that hobbies can be expensive. Whether you're a musician buying a new instrument or an amateur chef investing in quality cookware, the cost of pursuing your passions can quickly add up. However, there are plenty of ways to cut down on hobby expenses. For instance, many local libraries offer free or discounted memberships to art and craft groups. Or, if you're interested in gardening, you can start small by growing herbs in pots on your windowsill. Many online resources provide affordable or even free access to learning. By doing some research, you can find creative ways to pursue your hobbies without breaking the bank. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. On the other hand, there are disadvantages. Here are they. First, P2P, passion to pressure. A hobby is typically something people do for fun in their free time. It's a way to relax and unwind from the stresses of work or school. While some hobbies can be turned into businesses, it's important to remember that running a business is different from simply enjoying an activity. For one thing, there's a lot more pressure to succeed when you're running a business. There are also much higher stakes if you make a mistake. There are simply no room for error when you're running a business. This can lead to a lot of stress ahead of trends and be mindful of what other people in your field are doing. It is lastly being the boss. As the boss, you are ultimately responsible for the success or failure of your business. Being the boss may also disadvantage in turning your hobby into a business. You have to wear many hats and juggle numerous responsibilities, which can be daunting and overwhelming, especially if you're used to working on your own. There's also the pressure to succeed and make a profit, which can take the fun out of your hobby. You may also find that you miss camaraderie of working with others and having someone to bounce ideas off. As a boss, you are ultimately responsible for the success or failure of your business. Starting a business can be a rewarding experience, both financially and personally. If you have a hobby that you are passionate about, turning it is a great way to earn some extra income while doing something you love. Of course, starting any businesses takes some effort and planning. Still, if you are patient and realistic about things, you can be successful. Many resources are available to help you get started. So don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. Turn your hobby into a thriving business with some hard work and dedication. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, do give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Thank you and goodbye.